German engineers from Rheinmetall have developed an advanced demining vehicle that visually resembles a transformer. The primary function of the Keiler Next Generation is to ensure the safe passage of troops through minefields and overcome various obstacles on the battlefield. The vehicle is designed to clear routes of mines and other barriers, creating secure corridors for combat units. The main function of the Keiler NG is demining. It is equipped with an advanced Pearson mine plow, which efficiently clears the path, providing high speed and reliability in combat conditions. In addition, the vehicle is capable of removing various obstacles, such as wire barriers and concrete blockades, making it a versatile tool for supporting offensive operations. The exact cost of the vehicle has not yet been announced, but it is expected to align with the price of modern armored engineering vehicles. Its high level of technology and multifunctionality make the Keiler NG a highly sought-after solution for modern combat scenarios, where demining and obstacle clearance play a crucial role. The Russian concern Kalashnikov is actively developing a versatile aerial vehicle known as the flying motorcycle. This vehicle is a multi-copter with 8 rotors positioned around the frame, designed for vertical takeoff and landing. The pilot sits in the center of the structure on a specialized seat and controls the vehicle using handlebars similar to those of a motorcycle. The primary purpose of this vehicle is to transport a single person over short distances in environments where ground transportation is difficult or impossible. Potential applications include patrolling and surveillance in hard-to-reach areas, emergency delivery of small cargo or equipment, and urban use for bypassing traffic congestion and rapid movement. The cost of the vehicle is currently unknown, as it remains in the prototype and testing phase. Kalashnikov's flying motorcycle stands as an intriguing example of an innovative approach to personal aerial transport, which could eventually find applications in both civilian and military sectors. The American company General Dynamics has developed the highly efficient M1150 assault breacher vehicle, designed for breaching minefields, destroying obstacles, and creating safe passages for troops in combat zones. Based on the M1 Abrams main battle tank, the M1150 ABV features high armor protection and mobility, allowing it to operate in the most challenging conditions. It is equipped with a mine plow for mechanical demining and the Miklik explosive charge system, which enables the rapid clearance of mines and explosive devices, creating secure corridors for advancing forces. For self-defense, the vehicle is armed with a 12.7mm M2 Browning machine gun. The crew consists of 2 personnel, and its protection is ensured by composite armor, similar to that used in the M1 Abrams. Here is the military development of the highly maneuverable buggy Escadron by the Russian company Introl. This lightweight multi-purpose vehicle is designed for the rapid deployment of tactical units, particularly reconnaissance and sabotage divisions of the airborne forces. Escadron can reach a speed of 150 km per hour, and its weight does not exceed 3 tons, allowing it to effectively traverse rough terrain. The buggy's design enables parachute deployment, enhancing its mobility and operational effectiveness in combat conditions. Armament options include 12.7mm cord machine guns and Kornet anti-tank missile systems, making the Escadron an effective platform for fire support and countering enemy armored vehicles. Additionally, a modification featuring a single-seat armored capsule is planned for high-risk missions. Another next-generation German engineering vehicle named the Pioneer Panzer III Kodiak has been developed by Rheinmetall. It is designed to perform a wide range of engineering tasks on the battlefield, including mine clearance, obstacle breaching, construction and repair of infrastructure, and supporting combat units in challenging conditions. The vehicle is based on the chassis of the Leopard 2 main battle tank, providing it with high mobility, reliable protection, and excellent off-road capability in combat scenarios. Kodiak is equipped with a variety of engineering tools, making it a versatile asset for combat engineers. At the front, it features a bulldozer blade with an adjustable tilt and height, allowing for effective debris clearing, fortification construction, and path creation. The vehicle also includes a crane manipulator, which is used for setting up barriers, transporting heavy loads, and performing other engineering tasks. Additionally, Kodiak can be fitted with a mine-clearing plow designed to remove mines and create safe passages through minefields. The average cost of one vehicle is approximately €6,700,000, though this figure may vary depending on configuration and order volume. The German army continues its active integration of robots into its armed forces. One such robot is the Mission Master XT, a modern autonomous ground vehicle developed by Rheinmetall Canada. It is designed to support military operations in challenging environments, performing tasks such as cargo transportation, reconnaissance, fire support, and casualty evacuation. The primary role of the Mission Master XT with Charade is tactical-level air defense. The system is capable of destroying small, low-flying, and fast-moving drones at distances ranging from 50 to 800 meters. This makes it highly relevant in modern conflicts, where unmanned aerial vehicles play a key role in reconnaissance and strikes. The technical specifications of the Mission Master XT are impressive. The vehicle is equipped with a diesel engine, providing high mobility and extended operational time without refueling. It can carry up to 1,000 kilograms of payload, allowing for the installation of various weapon systems and equipment. With amphibious capabilities, the Mission Master XT can navigate rough terrain, cross water obstacles, and operate in extreme conditions. The exact cost of the Mission Master XT with Charade has not been disclosed, but given the system's complexity, it is expected to vary depending on configuration and customer requirements. The new Oerlikon Skyranger mobile air defense system from the German company Rheinmetall was recently introduced as a promising solution for protecting troops and facilities from modern aerial threats. Oerlikon Skyranger is highly mobile and can be mounted on various wheeled and tracked platforms. It is equipped with advanced sensors, including a three-dimensional radar with a phased array antenna and infrared detectors, allowing it to effectively track aerial targets at distances of up to 20 kilometers and provide full 360-degree coverage. The Skyranger's armament includes 30mm and 35mm Oerlikon revolver guns, capable of firing at a rate of 1,200 rounds per minute. For fire control, the system integrates advanced algorithms, automatically tracking and neutralizing targets. A Ukrainian team of engineers has developed a unique hybrid multifunctional armored vehicle called Storm. This innovative machine combines the capabilities of an electric motor with amphibious characteristics, making it the first of its kind in the world. Storm is equipped with an electric motor that, in combination with a diesel generator, provides autonomous operation for 18 to 36 hours without the need to stop. On sandy surfaces, the vehicle can reach a speed of 140 kilometers per hour. Additionally, Storm has amphibious capabilities, withstanding waves up to 1.5 meters high, allowing it to move efficiently on water. Storm is designed to perform a wide range of tasks, including troop transport, coastal defense support, cargo delivery, and medical assistance in hard-to-reach areas. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.